Welcome back, traders. Today, let me quickly show you how you can do your top-down analysis. I will be using gold for this analysis. So we'll be starting our analysis from from daily time frame. Now, on daily time frame, you will see that gold has been trending upward. Gold is an uptrend, and this is the last break of structure on daily time frame gold has made. This is our last break of structure that gold has made. This is the last break, and this is the highest high gold has made on daily time frame. It has not broken this high, and the lowest low gold has made on daily time frame. Gold has not broken this low. Now moving down to H to 4 hours time frame, let's see what gold is doing. Now this is our 4 hours time frame. What did you notice? Gold started breaking structure downward. So this is our first break of structure to the downside, giving us that, okay, this market is retracing or this market is on a downtrend. But what happened again? Gold broke another structure to the downside. Broke another structure to the downside and did not break this last low that it created on a daily time frame. And what happened? Started breaking structure upward again. So we had a change of character that this market is going back upwards. So this is our first break of structure to the upside. God did not tell us that, okay, oh, I'm going down. So it did not break this low. Started breaking upwards again after giving us a value change of character that this market is actually going back up. So this is our first break of structure to the upside. This is another break of structure to the upside again on 4-hour time frame. So currently gold is still an uptrend. So all these things you are seeing is retracement. Gold has not broken this last low. Now moving down to 1-hour time frame, what is gold doing? On 1-hour time frame, gold is still currently breaking structure upwards. Gold is currently breaking structure upwards. So after giving us this, what happened? This high has not been broken and the last low has not been broken. So what did gold do? After giving us the first break of structure to downward again, this is what we call retracement. So don't be carried away when you see some of all these things and you think that market is selling. No, gold is currently in an uptrend. So this is just a normal retracement that happened in the market. So this is the last break of structure to the downside that gold did. The last break of structure to the downside, and we still have another valid change of character telling us that this low is not still violated. Gold is still in an uptrend. So giving us another break of structure to the upside. And using SMC pattern, which I use in trading, you can see that this is another block that has not been mitigated, that has not been broken. So this is another block that has not been mitigated. There is another block. So what are we expecting gold to do? We're expecting gold to do what? Come down to mitigate this other block and continue the uptrend. See you guys.